Hello, this is Mike Chanielitis, owner of Cornerbowl Software. The other day I had a customer ask how to get notified when an account is locked out. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Server Manager to send a real-time email alert when an account is locked out. First, let's configure the connection to the email server. From the menu bar, select Edit, Server Manager Properties. Then select the Email tab. Most servers nowadays are running Start TLS on port 587. If that's the case for you, set the server name and port, select Start TLS, specify the email address you want the service to log in as, along with the password. Under the From information, specify the name you would like to appear on the alert, then copy and paste the email address you specified in the username field above. Once you've set all the values, specify an email address you would like to send a test alert to. I suggest specifying an email address outside of your email domain. That way you can verify the email server is going to relay your message. Lastly, click the Test button. You should receive a success message. If you receive an error, check your settings and try again. Okay, now that we have the email server set up properly, let's make sure we have an action configured to send an alert to our email address. From the Object Explorer, expand Actions, then Email. Right-click on Account Lockout with Username and select Properties. In the Address drop-down, specify your target email address. Once you've added the email address, close the dialog and save your changes. Now, let's configure the account lockout template. Server Manager includes an out-of-the-box template to send account lockout alerts. From the Object Explorer, locate Templates, expand Sample Templates, find Account Lockout Monitor Event Log. Select, right-click, and select Template Properties. The Template Properties view displays. On the General tab, notice the execution method is set to real-time. Once assigned to a host, this template is going to subscribe to the security event log on the target server and watch for account lockout log entries. Next, select the Logs tab. Verify the security log is checked. Next, select the Monitoring tab. Notice there are two filter action assignments. The first triggers the alert, while the second clears the alert, but only when the system administrator manually unlocks the account. Windows does not write an event log entry when an account is automatically unlocked. Next, we need to assign the domain controller to the template. Under the Host dropdown, assign the domain controller. If you have not yet added the domain controller, click the Add button, then use the Add Computers, Devices, and Hosts to add your domain controller. Click Close and save your changes. Now, let's test the real-time account lockout monitor. Let's open a real-time viewer to the domain controller's security log. From the Object Explorer, locate the DC and expand it. Find the Account Lockout Monitor template, then expand. Finally, right-click on Security and select Watch. Immediately, I see the email come through and the status of the domain controller set to warning. Looking at the real-time viewer, I see 6 failed logon attempts and 1 account lockout. Finally, if I right-click on the template and select Explore, I can see the history of events, which includes each trigger. That's real-time account lockout monitoring with Cornerbowl Server Manager. If you liked the video, please like it. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you in the future.